Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the hard disk drive ZIF connector and disconnect the hard disk drive ribbon cable from the system board. Grasp the edge of the hard disk drive near its ribbon cable and firmly lift it up to separate the hard disk drive from the top cover. Remove the hard disk drive. Replacement. Note, before installing a new hard disk drive, remove the rubber holder from the old hard disk drive and place it on the new hard disk drive. Place the hard disk drive into position on the top cover and press down firmly along its edges until it is fully seated in the hard disk drive bay. Insert the hard disk drive ribbon cable into the hard disk drive ZIF connector and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place.